Hi guys, today we're going to tell the secret recipe. So, say hello, Mommy.
No.
Stop! I'm recording, Mommy. I'm just afraid of you, okay? So I don't be heard of you. So... Ah! Oh my goodness. I'm telling the secret recipe to look at the garage. Let's do it about here. So it all believes. Man, how they shit all the way. So I don't get secret anymore. Say hello. I'm recording, Wanda. Say hello. I'm on my iPad. Hello. I am on YouTube recorder. Okay? Okay. Let's look outside and see what's a beautiful day. Yup. So I don't get people nerves about me. So, it's really responsible for... Hi, Mommy. What are you looking for? It's too dark. Hey, Will! Will! Hey, Will! Will, come in the house for me. Will, come in the house. Come on, Will. Will is waiting on you, Mommy.
You can come in.
Say hello, Will. Come in, please. Come in the house with me so I don't get people nerves to say warning to me. So it don't around me. Ah! What the heck? What the heck is the fridge? Oh my goodness. The new secret recipe. Hey, Will. Will. Where is he? Ooh. Seasoned Kringle fries. That's amazing. And, hi, Mommy. I'm doing a secret recipe.
Are you gonna eat your french fries?
No, I'm just doing a secret recipe. So it don't record on you. So it's fine. It's fine to be on YouTube this time. Say hello.
Hi.
Okay.
I don't want to be on YouTube.
Alright.
Okay. Take your french fries.
Okay. So it's the secret recipe of my life.
Okay.
So put it right here. Nice. Georgia! Georgia! Hi, Mommy, look, I got Georgia.
Yay!
Look.
I see that. Yay.
Say hey, Mommy.
Hey.
I never people on nerves.
Yeah.
So, this is the TV, Roku TV. It has YouTube on it and Netflix. That's so cool. So, don't do it about me. It's 11:45. Let's look in the garage. Whoa. Whoa. Nice garage. Cool, nice in garage. Look at all people about in the garage, but anyways, how people can't get people in there of the reason. And it also means to people discovering stuff, and it never secret recipes. The secret That's the secret recipe. Mommy say the secret recipe.
Is the mop.
Yay! We got it, Mommy. So, this thing, the secret recipe. So, people, like, subscribe, and comment too. Alright, Mommy? It looks good to be on my YouTube channel. Where's your phone?
My purse.
And what is it?
I don't know.
In your bedroom?
Oh yeah.
Let's look at Eli's room. Ooh. What? Look at the Eli's room. Look at that. That's so cool. That's so cool. If people didn't record this. But anyway, so this video is the warning or something, so it's all very weird. Are you listening? So I'm listening to record it, okay? And let's look at the bedroom. Oh my goodness. Look at the bedroom. It's all comfortable when people don't see anything from here. Let's go to the bathroom to look at the bathroom. The secret recipe. Ooh. Nice calendar. July coming to August 2021. It's so cool. That's the letter K for Kristen. That's my first name ever. And it's a secret recipe. Oh, nice picture. That's so cool. Anyone knows how to do the secret recipe? No, that's not at all. Ouch. I'm okay. So, I'm done recording now. So, if you have to do this on YouTube, please like, subscribe, and a comment too. Right, Mommy?
Yes.
Like it
Like
on...
and subscribe.
Okay, if you like this video, raise your hand. I do. You do too.
I do too.
See you on another video. Alright, bye, Mommy.
Bye, Peyton. Are we done? Off?
Yes.